Okay, looking at number 3, it says if a 36-inch yardstick casts a 21-foot shadow, how tall is the building whose shadow is 168 feet? So draw a picture with two similar polygons. So I have a yardstick, which is 36 inches. And remember, it doesn't have to be fancy. And then we have a shadow of 21 feet. And then a building, again, not fancy, whose shadow is 168 feet. This is my unknown. And I say polygon because it's kind of like having two similar triangles. So we've got inches and we have feet. So I can say inches might be my top number. Feet would represent my bottom numbers. And usually I keep this next ratio for this left figure. So we can say this is my left side. And this other ratio would be the numbers from the right side picture. And your labels can be different from mine, but it just helps to make sure that you're setting up your proportion correctly. So from the left side, we have 36 inches, that's on top, and we have 21 feet, that's on bottom. Then I have X inches on top because X inches belongs there, and 168. All right. Now looking at this, first step is I always want to think about finding my scale factor or my shortcut. But I don't really see one for 21 to 168 or 21 to 36. So then I want to think about simplifying before I have to cross multiply. And I'm going to rewrite this on another piece of paper so I have room. As I'm rewriting, I'm recognizing that both 36 and 21 can be simplified. And let's see, 3 is the number. 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 6 twice, so that's 12. And 3 goes into 21 7 times. So now I have 12 over 7 equals x over 168. I can't really simplify anything else, and I still don't see what my scale factor might be, so I just have to cross multiply. 7 times x is 7x, and then 12 times 168. Let's try that. Pull to the side, and we're working that out. 16, 12 plus 1 is 13, is 3. That is 0, 8, 6, and 1. Add 11, 20, 16, so 2016. I'm still not finished because the last step is to isolate my x, which would mean undoing the multiplication by division, and I would do that to both sides. And then we're dividing this, so I'm going to pull to the side. 2016 divided by 7. 7 does not go into 2. 7 into 20 is twice, and that's 14. Subtract that 6, bring down that 1. 7s are my favorites. Let's see, 7 times 8 is 56. That was sarcasm. Subtract 5 because I borrowed, that's 11, that becomes 5. Bring down that 6. 7 into 56 is exactly 8 times. So my answer is x is equal to 288. And what are my units? Let's see, my units should be inches since it's up there on the top. So my building is 288 inches.